guys, welcome to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do a diagonal laced sinnet braid. So let's get started.
Tell me to be strong.
Any products I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. I went ahead and wet down her hair just a little bit just to tame those flyaways and to have better control. Now you can do this dry if you like, but I work better with it wet. You're going to start by taking a good chunk of hair on the side right here. This much. The next step you're going to do is take a small section right here, another small section right up on top, right here. You're going to pretty much create a knot for this middle strand. So you're going to take your two fingers, put it in between this big strand and the left strand. Have the middle strand rest onto the thumb. Take this right strand over the left little strand and grab it with your two fingers and pull through. This is your first knot right here. Tighten it up. I'm going to wet it a little bit. And your goal is just to add hair on this side only, not on this side. So you're going to take a small little piece of hair. You don't have to go all the way down to grab it. You just take it from up on top and grab a little small piece and add it to the left strand. Smooth it out. Then you take your two fingers on your right hand and put it in between the small strand and the big strand, and then rest the big strand on the thumb. Take your left strand and put it over the right strand here and grab with your fingers. Pull right through. You just created your first sinnet. If you get confused on which strand to do next, the strand that's on the bottom is the one that you're going to work with, not the top. So again, small section here up on top, add it with the left strand, smooth it out. I'm going to wet it down a little bit, smooth it out. Take my two fingers in between here, the left strand, and underneath the big strand. Big strand rests on the thumb. The right little strand will go over the left strand and grab it with your two fingers and pull through. Tighten it up. Okay, smooth it out. The next one will be this strand here because it's at the bottom. I'm going to add, and this is all repeated, I'm going to just add a small section to this strand. Smooth it out. With your right fingers, take your two fingers on the right, have the middle strand rest on the thumb, and then you take the left strand over the little right strand here, grab it with your fingers, pull right through. That is all there is to it. Remember, if you forget what strand to work with next, it's the one that's on the bottom. This is all repeated. I'll show you one more time before I speed it up. Small section, add it to the left strand. Put your two fingers in between those strands. Let the middle strand rest the thumb. Take the right strand over the left strand, grab it with your two fingers and pull through. That is it.
Let me take you higher, reaching for the sky, sitting by
So I'm going to stop right here and not add any more to the left side of the hair and just use up the rest of the hair by creating a sinnet braid at the end. And I'm going to just add a small piece right here and put it right into the middle. Right here, and just add it in the middle. Only because that way the braid won't move. It'll just stay in place.
We'll be running the show. Bring it on. Bring it on. Bring it on. We'll be running the show. Bring it on. Take it all as we go. Bring it on. Let's go. Bring it on. Let's roll the dice. Bring it on tonight. Bring it on. Bring it on. Bring it on. Bring it on.
I'm just going to go ahead and secure this off together. I'm going to go ahead and go back over, fix the parts that I think needs to be fixed.
For a reason, driven by the heart, fighting for.
Put a hair accessory right here just to cover that elastic band, little hairspray. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, we're always up for a good challenge, so if you know any styles that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comment section below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success in following our videos and what parts we might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. We love you guys. Until next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys. God bless.